One sunny afternoon, Mom and Dad dropped Leo and Lily at Grandma Rose's house.
Okay, children, be good. We will be back in 2 hours.
Yes, Mom! Bye, Mom!
Goodbye, Mom. We will take care of Grandma.
Come in, my darlings. I made cookies. Cookies! Yes! Grandma, you are the best!
Lily sat down with a book. But Leo could not sit still. He walked around the room. He looked at everything.
Grandma, what is this? Grandma, what is that? Grandma, what is this? Grandma, what is that?
Oh, Leo, one thing at a time. Leo, you are like a little rabbit, always jumping, always looking.
Leo, sit down. Let Grandma rest.
But then Leo stopped. Under Grandma's big armchair, he saw something. Something old, something dusty, a small wooden box.
Grandma, what is that? Under your chair? Ah, that box, that is a very special box, Leo.
Can I open it? Please, Grandma, please?
Not yet, my dear. That box is not ready to be opened. Not today. But Grandma, why? What is inside? Something very old. Something very special. Now, come and have your cookies.
Leo ate his cookies, but his eyes kept going back to the box. He could not stop thinking about it.
Leo, I can see you looking at that box. Stop it.
But Lily, don't you want to know? Just a little?
Leo, Grandma said not yet. We must be careful and respectful.
Then Grandma Rose stood up slowly and walked to the kitchen to make tea. Leo slowly pulled the box from under the chair. His hands were shaking a little.
Lily, Grandma's in the kitchen. Should we just look? Just a little peek?
Leo, no, that is not our box. Just 1 second. I will be very careful. I promise.
Leo slowly pulled the box from under the chair. His hands were shaking a little. Lily watched the door. Her heart was beating fast.
Now say these sentences with me. What is inside the box? This is very old. I remember this. This is very special to me. Thank you for telling me. Great job. Now let's continue the story. Leo opened the box carefully. Inside, there was an old photograph, a tiny toy car, and a folded letter.
Lily, look. This photograph. Who is this little boy? I don't know. He looks familiar. Leo, I think that is Grandpa.
Yes, that is your grandpa, when he was 7 years old.
Leo and Lily looked up. Grandma Rose was standing in the doorway. She was not angry. Her eyes were soft and a little wet. And so the three of them sat together on the sofa. Grandma held the old photograph gently. She told them about Grandpa, his laugh, his kindness, his love for this family. Leo did not say a word. For the very first time, he just listened. And in that quiet moment, he understood. Some treasures are not things, they are memories. And memories live forever in the hearts of the people who love each other. Great job today. Today we learned these words: secret, curious, special, remember, memory. Now, answer this question. What did Leo find under Grandma's armchair? A, an old toy. B, a special box. Write your answer in the comments below. See you in the next Bright Family English story.